Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. So excited that you're here today. I am releasing my May thank you gift. So each month I put together some sort of fun thank you gift for those who purchase Stampin' Up! Product from me. This month I am featuring the Share What You Love bundle of goodies. Now this is going to be available to purchase on May 2nd unless you sign up and purchase the starter kit, and then you can get the goodies that make this sooner. But these are the two cards. These are the card kits that you're going to receive. So you'll have all the pieces to make both these cards, except of course the stamping. You won't be able to use, or I won't be able to pre-stamp them for you. But all of the products you need and die cuts and pieces will come in the kit. This is the Love What You Do stamp set. It's got some beautiful images, and I absolutely love the thank you sentiment. The script font that they used is gorgeous. It's kind of like brush lettering. So you'll get these beautiful little pearl embellishments if you place a $100 order or more. So you get 2 card designs, 2 of each, to make a total of 4 card kits for a $50 minimum purchase. And then for a $100 minimum purchase, you get the card kits and the embellishments. Plus, I have an exclusive video showing you how I put together these kits. So you'll have that as well. And the kits also come with envelopes. So by the time you're done, you'll have 4 completed cards ready to use and envelopes to go with them. And then if you do the $100 purchase, you'll get the little pearl embellishments. So I do want to say that this is not cumulative orders. This is if you order, $50 all at one time in product, then you get the kits. So you can't order $25 twice. That's not how it works. The offer period is April 23rd through May 22nd. So I hope that you take advantage of this, because this is something fun that I like to do every month and provide a giveaway for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see other videos from me, you can click on either one of the images you see here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you'd like to see in a future video. And I hope that you shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.